Hello students, welcome to English literature class. Last class we had learned about Bassanio that had chosen the right casket and won Portia, and we have come to know the scroll, the content which were written for him, and also his reaction. His reaction is a mixed, confused and extremely ecstatic feelings like the two contenders contending for a prize, and he was could not believe to his achievements. That's why he was waiting for Portia to confirm this matter that he really won Portia. So that's now Portia is confirming him by saying that whatever he is seeing now is in reality, not in imagination. So let's continue with Portia's speech. Portia, you see me, Lord Bassanio, where I stand. Why, she says, earlier he said, no, I'm what I see be true or not, I am doubtful. So I'm waiting for you to confirm. So that's why she says that, you see me, I am standing in reality, not in your imagination. I am such as I am in real. Though for myself alone, I would not be ambitious in my wish. Here we can know Portia's another character. She is very modest. She knows that she is extremely rich and Bassanio is bankrupt. So this may make Bassanio feel inferior in front of her. That's why she becomes very modest. She says that she is nothing in front of Bassanio. So that's what she says. I would not be ambitious in my wish. She says that as she is extremely rich in wealth, beauty, virtue, she doesn't want to be, she doesn't wish that to be more ambitious to gain more wealth, more beauty, nor virtue. Still she wishes. Why? To wish myself much better. So I am not interested, I am not ambitious to wish myself to be much better, richer, beautiful, virtuous. Yet for you, I would be troubled 20 times myself. Troubled 3 times. So here she says that yet for you means for Bassanio, I wish to be 60 times myself, 1,000 times more beautiful, 10,000 times more richer. I wish that I might be 60 times 20, 20 into 3 is 60 times. So though I don't want to be ambitious to be more richer, beautiful, fairer, but I wish to be more ambitious for Bassanio, to be 60 times whatever I am myself, 1,000 times more beautiful, 10,000 times more richer. Why? That only to stand high in your account. That I wish to stand worthy in your eyes. See how modest she is. She thinks, she doesn't want to make Bassanio feel inferior. She says Bassanio is so worthy, so estimable that in front of him she is nothing. So she wants to be 60 times whatever she is now, 1,000 times, these has to remember the numbers, 1,000 times beautiful and 10,000 times more richer, just only to stand high in worthy in the eyes of Bassanio. So see how she proves that she is nothing in front of Bassanio. Here she says, I might in virtues, beauties, livings, friends exceed account. I might be exceeding in extremely richer, virtuous, in noble qualities. I might be extremely beautiful. I might be having extremely living wealth, possessions, estates. I might be having extremely more friends than anyone else. But still then, the full sum of me is sum of something. But still then, in spite of having exceedingly more than anyone else in beauty, wealth and friends, still the sum total of Portia, she says, is nothing. In total, if you see, to term in gross, if you make the sum total of Portia, then she says that Portia is nothing. in front of Bassanio. Or what is she? She is an unlessoned girl. She is an inexperienced girl, unschooled, so never been educated, unpracticed. Okay, so here she says extremely inexperienced, untrained, and uneducated girl. Happy in this, see the degrees of comparison: happy, happier, happiest. So how can she be happy? So she says, first of all, in spite of having exceedingly virtuous beauty and wealth, she is more richer than anyone else, friends, having more friends, still then she is nothing. The sum total of Portia is nothing. What is she then? She is an inexperienced, untrained girl, uneducated girl. But happy in this, in spite of being unlessoned, unschooled, unpracticed, she is happy. Why? She is not yet so old, but she may learn. Why she is happy? That she is happy that she is young, that if taught, she can learn. She is not old that she cannot learn. Okay, that's why she is happy. Next you see happier, more happier. So what is that? Happier than this. She is not bred so dull, but she can learn. Her happiness is more. Why? Because she is not born in an uneducated, foolish family that if taught she cannot learn. That's why. That means she has she was brought up in a very educated family that when taught, trained, she can learn. Then happiest, see the superlative degree, happiest of all is that her gentle spirit commits itself to yours to be directed as from her lord, her governor, her king. See, and she happiest, what is the happiest moment? She says that she is happy, that happiest of all because she has a gentle gentle disposition, that she has completely entrusted herself or completely surrendered herself, given herself to her lord, her governor, her king, that is Bassanio. She is happiest because now Bassanio is a lord, governor, king who can guide her, train her, educate her. Okay, that's why her emotions are happiest. So now myself and what is mine to you and yours is now converted. Now you see that according to the will, that whoever chooses the right casket, he will possess Portia and everything. Now she says, myself and all my wealth, whatever is mine, is now yours, is now transferred to you, converted. But now I was the lord of this fair mansion, master of my servants. Now here, first now means at this, now means a little while ago. Okay. But now I was the lord of this fair mansion, this fair house, rich big house of us, master of my servants, queen over myself. And even now means at this moment. Second now means at this moment. Just little while ago, I was the master of this mansion, master over my servants. I was the queen of myself. But at this moment, now this house, these servants, and this same myself are yours, my lord. So from this moment, myself, my house, my servants, everything that I possess is now yours. I give them with this ring. By saying that everything she transfers by giving her wedding ring with condition. What is that? Which when you part from, lose or give away. So she gives it everything with a wedding ring, that if you ever part this ring from or lose it or sell it or give it away to anyone, then let it presage the ruin of your love. Then this will be an indication that the loss of the ring from your finger will indicate that that is the end of your love for me. And be my vantage. Be my vantage means it will be my advantage to exclaim on you. Exclaim on you means to blame you for the ruin of our love. You are the responsible for our ruin of our love if you lose the ring. Okay, I think you understand, because these are much important this lesson. I am giving you one paragraph. Just go through it, completely be thorough. Then I will proceed with another lines from Bassanio, that is 179 lines. And any difficulty you can convey me. Thank you.